This is question number 14 on the higher June 2013 calculator paper. From the start of this question, I could see there's a star next to this question, so they want me to write a sentence as part of my answer. Let's read the question. Viv wants to invest £2,000 for 2 years in the same bank. So you have some information here about two banks and the compound interest in both banks. And 4% at the international bank, it's 4% for the first year, 1% for each extra year. And in the friendly bank, the compound interest is 5% for the first year and 0.5 for each extra year. At the end of 2 years, Viv wants to have as much money as possible. Which bank should she invest in? So basically, I need to do the compound interest calculations for both banks for 2 years and then compare how much money Viv would have if she had the money in either of those banks and gives her the most. And before I do that, if you did work on compound interest, you would have used the multiplier for how much money increases by, depending on what rate of interest is being applied. So if 4% is being applied, the multiplier is 1.04. If 1% is being applied, the multiplier is 1.01. And for the friendly bank, let's look at this. If 5% is being applied, the multiplier is 1.05. And for 0.5%, the multiplier is going to be 1.005. Okay, that's tricky to think about, but yeah, it is going to be 1.005. You have 2 zeros. So let's do our calculations. For the international bank, if she puts £2,000 in the first year, your multiplier is 4%, 1.04, and then for the second year it's going to be 1.01. And if I work that out, that will tell me how much money she'll have in the international bank after 2 years. So 2,000 times 1.04 times 1.01 equals £2,100.80. That's how much money she'll have in the international bank after 2 years. First year at 4% and the second year at 1%. Let's go through the same calculation for the friendly bank. She'll have £2,000, and after the first year, times by 1.05, and for the second year, you're going to times by 1.005. And what does that give you? 2,000 times 1.05 times 1.005 equals £2,110.50. £2,110.50. Which one is more? Obviously, from looking at this, the friendly bank, she has more money after 2 years. But just read the question again. Which bank should she invest her £2,000 in? So Viv should invest her £2,000 in the friendly bank, as she will have more money after 2 years. Okay, so just looking at the full solution and the full answer, what you need to do is think about this, think about the workings, and think about what you need to do to ensure that you're able to get full marks in this question and capitalize on the 4 marks that you can get from here.